Now you can take off areas, links, and counts with MudShark. Your civil estimating and earthworks takeoff can be done at the same time. You could already generate cut and fill volumes, take off your pipes and trenches, and calculate your groundworks volumes. And now you can do more in MudShark. You can take off quantities for your landscaping, use counts for trees or plants, or measure areas for mulch or weed barriers. Fencing is simple to measure too. You can use the Links tool to generate your quantities, even if that fence isn't drawn on the plan. If you're counting lampposts or railings or require any additional calculations for surface areas, links, or counts, MudShark can handle it. Calculate areas, links, and counts in MudShark. Get your free 14-day trial today.